Imagine building a money-making content empire without a team, without a huge budget, and without working around the clock. What if you could create high-quality blogs, videos, social media posts, and even digital products, all with the help of AI? The truth is, thousands are already doing this. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn AI tools into a passive income machine with the AI Content Money Machine course from 27daystoprofit.com. Welcome to today's video, where we're breaking down one of the most exciting opportunities for online entrepreneurs, freelancers, and side hustlers: making money with AI-driven content creation. Inside the AI Content Money Machine, you'll discover how to use tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Notion, and Canva to build traffic, create valuable content, and monetize your ideas, all in just 27 days. This isn't theory, it's a proven step-by-step system designed to help you start, grow, and automate your online content business. Whether you're brand new to the digital world or already running a side hustle, the methods in this course can help you scale faster than ever. Let's break down what makes this system so powerful. Step 1. Choosing a profitable niche. The journey starts with niche selection. Most people fail online because they pick random topics with no audience. In the AI Content Money Machine, you'll learn how to use AI tools to research markets, identify profitable niches, and position yourself for success from day one. Step 2. Creating SEO-optimized content with AI. Once you have your niche, the course shows you how to use ChatGPT and Jasper to write blog posts, guides, and articles that are fully optimized for Google search. Imagine ranking on page 1 while AI does 90% of the heavy lifting. That's organic traffic working for you 24/7. Step 3. Designing content that stands out. Good design sells. That's why the system integrates Canva and other simple design tools to create stunning visuals, infographics, and social media graphics, even if you've never designed a thing in your life. Content is not just about words, it's about presentation. Step 4. Repurposing content across platforms. One of the biggest mistakes content creators make is creating once and moving on. This course teaches you to repurpose every blog post into 10+ pieces of content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and even LinkedIn. AI does the rewriting, so your content spreads everywhere with minimal effort. Step 5. Building traffic and growing an audience. Traffic equals money, but not all traffic is equal. Inside the course, you'll learn how to use AI to write SEO titles, craft clickable YouTube descriptions, and create email sequences that convert casual readers into loyal followers. With tools like Notion and AI email assistants, you'll manage workflows and grow your list effortlessly. Step 6. Monetizing with passive income streams. Now comes the exciting part: turning all that traffic into income. You'll discover multiple ways to monetize, from affiliate marketing, earn commissions recommending products, ad revenue from blogs or YouTube, digital products like ebooks, templates, and mini courses that sell on autopilot, even setting up memberships or coaching programs if you want higher ticket income. Step 7. Automating 90% of the work. The final secret is automation. AI doesn't just write for you. It manages your schedule, formats posts, suggests keywords, and even helps with analytics. With the systems inside this course, you'll automate most of your workflow, so you focus only on scaling, not on repetitive tasks. That's why it's called the AI Content Money Machine, because once set up, it keeps running with minimal effort, building passive income streams while you sleep. Here's the twist: you don't need years of experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't even need advanced tech skills. All you need is 27 days. This system is designed to take you from zero to a fully operating content business in less than a month. Imagine where you'll be 27 days from now if you start today, ranking articles on Google, posting viral content on social media, and building digital assets that generate income on autopilot. So, the question is, are you ready to build your own AI-powered content empire? Drop a comment below. What's the one thing you'd love AI to take off your plate right now? Writing, social media, design? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're serious about turning AI into a content money machine, head over to 27daystoprofit.com and check out the AI Content Money Machine course. Your next 27 days could change everything.